I'm leaving Snowville, Utah, and I'm about to do something I've never done before. I'm gonna ride on the interstate. This is Interstate 84. I looked up the laws, and there are sections in Utah where it's allowed. And I think the reason is because I'd have to take like a 2-day off-road adventure to find an alternate route. I don't want to do that. This is only going to take me 1 day to get there. I'm just now leaving Crystal Hot Springs in Honeyville, Utah. I stayed here last night. They have a few pools and water slides, RV camping, tent camping. I'm gonna go to Brigham City and do some laundry at the laundromat there, and then I'm gonna stay at Willard Bay State Park. Laundry's all done. I've left Brigham City, and now I'm in Perry, Utah. I'm going towards Willard Bay State Park. Just made it to Willard, Utah. I'm gonna camp at Willard Bay State Park at the reservoir. Hi, I'm here in Royse City, Utah on the Denver and Rio Grande Western Rail Trail.